I'm here at Trexler today, going again for another FKT. This is double loops of a 9-mile route with about, I think, 3,500 feet of climbing. Have to do it in 3 hours, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to do it clockwise first, and then I'm going to do it counterclockwise that direction, but this is the start marker of both in and out. Second part of the FKTs is creating some documentation of you doing it. So I'm using a 2-camera system for recording, the hat camera and then my glasses. That's a beautiful shot. Some things that are different today is bringing a lot more carbohydrates. Not pulling back at all. Just letting it fly, see what happens. Look at that sun line right there, creeping up. So, just want to talk about why did I take this for nutrition. Just finished my nutritional endurance certification, and I really wanted to get the 1 to 0.8, a hell of a lot cheaper and better to do this versus buying those gels, which are sometimes $2 to $3 per pack. Trails up over there. That's where I'm heading. Zigzagging. Holding about a 9:30 pace here. It's absolutely gorgeous here. This is the pinnacle of this trail right here. Right there. Right there. Going well. First 2 miles were too fast, about 8 minutes, 8:30. So I'm gonna pull it back a bit. I just got to be under 10 minutes a mile. All right, so I'm looping the post that I started at and then just heading right back. One mile. Second loop. Things are going well. Just a beautiful day. Enjoying being here. About less than a mile left, and I think I'm at like 2:45, 2:50. So there's the post right there I started at. Time is 2:56:32. Oh, finish. Course complete. All right, that's it. It is done. Trexler Nature Preserve. Getting a picture here. Done.